Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Eagle Power Blower 530 CFM cordless blower, battery and charger not included, bare tool, 5-year warranty, LB5300. We got another number down here, 03800330021. Get this on clearance. It was a killer deal, and I always say this on my videos. Your mileage may vary. You guys get mad down there because you don't see it at your store. Yes, guys, it varies by store. Eagle 56 volt leaf blower, bare tool, clearance $56. 77 cents was regular price $139. You got item number 2546181, model number LB5300. So then you got another number down here. I don't know what this is, but 069 204 260 36. That is that number down there. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform. My subscribers like, so help with this channel by doing so. We got weather resistant construction. We got turbine engine engineering, fan engineering, high efficiency brushless motor. Got 5-year limited warranty. You got 260 CFM, 400 CFM variable speed control. So from anywhere from 260 to 400, 530 CFM turbo boost button. So you get a turbo boost button there at the top, and you got some sort of lever here. You guys could switch that. All right, let's open this up. It's a little beat up, but it is brand new. I already checked it. So let's open this up. All right, so this is 530 CFM cubic feet minute. Says Eagle on the side. The main components, you guys do see, it does have, if you guys want to hang the tool, it does have a hook there. You got a nice trigger and a turbo button there. You got a nice rubber handle overmold. It says turbo right there. You have the variable speed. So obviously green is go and black is. See the fan here? We got the battery compartment here on the back. We got three different connectors. You do got something to latch in the battery, or yep. So the tool knows when the battery is in there. You do have a quick release battery. It says Eagle on the side. It stands by itself if you put it down like so. So we got plastic. All this is plastic. Eagle Power Blower, 56 volts. Eagle model number LB5300, max 530 CFM, volume made in China. That's all we got. So let's put a battery in here and take it outside, see what this sounds like. Obviously we're gonna put this in there. So it snaps in. Then you got the blower ready to go. And also we do got some instructions. Expand your collection. All right, we got a 5 amp hour battery. Slide it in. Slide in like so. Fits really nice. It's a little heavy because this is it's a huge battery. If I feel a difference, because I do have another blower, and I'll let you guys know if I feel a difference from the 550 CFM or not. That's the middle gauge there. Alright, so my microphone decided to die on me for some reason. Yes guys, it does feel more powerful than my 18 volts. I really like it because the power is there. That turbo button does work, does make it stronger. You do feel the 500 CFM The only thing I don't like with this setup, I don't have a smaller battery. With this setup is it's really heavy. This is most likely better with the 2.5 amp hour battery. A 5, of course, is going to last you longer, but the 2.5 will be ideal. I think this is a really great tool. Definitely check it out. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.